Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Let's see. Wow. So, nahulog na agad to. Four of Pentacles, the Fool. So, parang may gusto mag-take ng risk. Itong taong to is still holding on. Hindi pa rin siya bumibitaw sa'yo. The Lovers. Nine of Cups. Two of Pentacles. Ten of Cups. King of Pentacles. And the Three of Wands. Hermit card, bottom card. So, for some of you, you're in a long distance. Maring nasa abroad siya or malayo lang talaga yung location niya ngayon. So, maaring hihingi to ng second chance kung past person to. Kaso, may undecided pa rin sa inyo, nagji-juggling. Hindi makapag-decide pa sa ngayon. Tingnan natin. Message ng Archangels. Angel Therapy by Archangel Raphael. Give your cares and worries to us angels and allow us to take your burdens. So, kung mabigat yung mga suliran ninyo, ayan, ihingi nyo ng tulong sa ating mga archangels kasi hindi naman nila kayo pababayaan. Especially yung sa mga guardian angels nyo. Kung alam nyo kung sino yung guardian angel nyo, base sa inyong day of birth, ayan, kung kailan kayo pinanganak. From Monday to Sunday, ayan. Kung sino yung naka-assign sa inyo. So, we have here light bulb, coins. So, maring natrap siya sa isang karmic relationship noon. Maring ito yung naging dahilan ng separation nyo. Pero maring siya din to undecided. And with the energy ng Hermit card, nagpaplano, siya parang isolating, nagre-reflect. So, may mga energies tayo dito ng Aries, Gemini, Virgo, Mountain, Hourglass, Luck, and Airplane. So, confirmation na long distance situation. Pero yung mga pictures mo nakatabi pa sa kanya. So, may malaking decision kasi dito with the Hourglass. And, nagpo-focus kasi kayo parehas sa goals. Maring wala na sila nitong third party. Marami siyang plano. Marami siyang pinaplano. Ayaw niya masabotahe itong plano niya. Kaya talagang pinag-iisipan niya to, pinagpaplanuhan niya to ng mabuti. Kasi sa kung hinaba-haba ng separation, no contact situation, lalo na with luck, hindi siya makamove on sa'yo. Ayun, we will be together again. My life is not as together as it seems. So, hindi talaga siya makamove on, hindi siya makaget over sa'yo. You speak to me through music. I love you. the timing just wasn't right for us. So, noong mga panahong yun, hindi pa right time. You came closer than anyone, not available. So, maaari kami na may nakilala siya doon na ibang tao na mukhang wala na sila ngayon. I look for you everywhere. I wish I had treated you better. Tingnan natin sa Tarot Messages Oracle Cards. Maring ikaw nagfo-focus ka sa business mo dito. Please accept my cup of love. Mimiss ka niya. Sorry I'm wasted. I hate my pride and ego. Keeping tabs on you. Can we talk? I want a family with you. So for some of you, kung meron kayong family or kasal or may anak, so gusto niyang ayusin talaga to. Talking to you telepathically. So nagsisend din siya ng mga messages telepathically or maaaring nare-receive mo to through your dreams. Kuha tayo ng initials. May mga baliktad. Ayusin ko. Letter Q, L, may LQ. Nag-start to sa LQ eh. Lover's quarrel. Ayan. So, lumala. TL. Maring true love. O, K, F, C, V, D, E, Y, S. Ayan. Kuha tayo ng blue card. Family, another family card. So, maaring for some of you, kasal kayo or may anak. Passion. Acceptance. So, then natin general signs and messages. Private person. Rainy season. Friendly. Funny and twin flame. Number 4. October. Soon. Food lover. Ayan o. Other country. May mga sumira pa sa connection nyo. Mga plastic persons. Intelligent. Province. North PH. Flower. Sarcastic. Need more signs. Okay. Nature lover. May. Party animal. Coins. Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Number 1. Luzon. November. Dimple. Very lucky. Chaser. 7. 8. Lake. Sword is air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And September. So yun ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.